We have a big week incoming for the US dollar, guys. First of all, just note, over the last couple of days, as in Friday, Thursday, yesterday, Wednesday, the dollar has actually made some pretty decent gains, really, because, you know, at the beginning of the week it was under quite a lot of pressure, but it's really reversed and it's now pretty much higher on the week. Why is that? Well, you know, there's so many things going on in the market this week, but two of the major themes have been, number one, concerns over that second coronavirus wave in the US and all over the rest of the world. At the beginning of the week, people were citing that as a dollar negative, but that mindset seems to have shifted, and people seem to be looking at the dollar more as like a coronavirus outbreak haven again. The other thing is we've seen a bit of a resurgence in trade protectionism from the US, and that is typically a dollar positive as well because of, you know, safe haven benefit. Also the fact that when the US is protectionist, that's bad for global growth, but not necessarily that bad for US growth, so that growth, you know, relative growth, strength of economies shifts a bit in favor of the US, which is good for the US dollar. But guys, those two themes are going to be really important for driving the dollar next week, but there's something else as well. That's going to be US data. So we've got NFP again. You remember, the beginning of this month, the NFP data for May, huge shock. What was it? It was 2.5 jobs gained against expectations for 8 million to be lost. So wow, created massive risk on. And the dollar, to be honest, back then didn't really know how to react because it was like, wow, strong US data, bullish, but then also risk on, bearish for the dollar, that is. So this NFP data, again, is going to be a really interesting driver of sentiment. How is the dollar going to react? That is going to be a big question for investors. If we get another really strong NFP print, is that going to be dollar negative because it's like risk on? Is it going to be dollar positive because, you know, strong US data? Is the market going to shrug off a really good data because they're going to be thinking, might the market be thinking, well, we've got this second wave of coronavirus, so these job gains, they're going to be temporary because people are going to go into lockdown again. They're going to not want to go to work because the virus and, you know, potential lockdowns, businesses being told to shut, la-di-da-di-da. We don't know, but it's going to be a very interesting one for the dollar next week, guys. So stay tuned. We're going to be covering it all with blogs. Obviously, our members get all of this in real time, though, so they can actually trade off of this kind of stuff or protect their positions. That is pretty much it from me for now, and I'll see you in the next one.